wasn't hard, but it turned out that way.
When you were gonna try to
I have slobber on my face.
it just wasn't the same. No, it just wasn't the same. How was I supposed to know? I never escaped her go. It seemed how long ago she was.
173 miles till Nashville. How hard I tried.
I'll let our options this time.